Hey guys, so this is a very cool tool that will allow you to search for pictures while in Google Docs or also I think even in some of the Microsoft Word applications. And it's great because these pictures are actually legal versus when you just do a Google search and come up with a bunch of photos that are actually copyright protected and you're teaching all your students how to break the law. Um, I'm providing a link, and all you have to do is come over here where it says Pixabay free images. Click on this little plus sign that's free. It should take you to this. It should automatically install it. Um, and it'll bring you something like this. And it's here under add-ons. So do what the little box says. Click on the add-ons. Click on Pixabay free images and it should come up over here in this little window right here. So for instance, if you're writing a document about chickens and you needed pictures of chickens, come over here and it will bring up all kinds of pictures of chickens. You find that's a nice one. Click on that bad boy and there you go. A copyright friendly picture of a chicken instantly inserted into your document. Could it be any easier?